Okay, so capital markets companies we spoke about. अभी मैंने देखा कि of course new age business is something you're very excited about, not just Zomato, but
No, I'm excited.
हाँ. So you have Swiggy, you have something like Honasa, you have Physics Wala,
Correct.
but
We have delivery. We
delivery.
have Shadowfax,
हाँ.
and we like actually some of the guys in India I don't have because they're small company. Amagi. So their logic is as follows: that for 30 years I've done these companies and I'm bored of those old companies. Even if I own them, I own this bag. Bored हो गए. कुछ नहीं. You have to
कुछ
freshen.
नया बताओ.
आप नई कहानी सुनाओ and growth भी थोड़ी अच्छी बताओ. So for these companies which are loss making, you have to worry that these things they are doing something valuable and useful, and which is really like tough to do because not everything is. It should not be a gimmick, right? And second is that you should be able to study unit economics to say कि हाँ per unit तो he makes money, but he is losing because he is growing so fast that by the time the new segment makes money, I mean, the old part is making money. For example, let me explain. So, for example, in Physics Wala, the online is making money, and that you can see, but he is expanding outside. I mean, he's going physical, so there he's making loss. Therefore, the whole thing looks a bit
Correct.
So, in Eternal Type guys, you will say that their old stores are making money, which were 2-3 year old. But because you're growing at such a rapid pace,
Blinkit is still sitting on a loss.
no, so because the new stores, I'm talking about Blinkit only, the new stores are making a loss and the number of new stores is more than the old. But when you see a steady state coming in, say, 2 years, the old store which was 2 years old is making whatever X% margin, तो इसका भी बन जाएगा. So that is the way to look at it. Actually, the same thing is done even in physical world. For example, in the olden days when these hospital companies or these hotel companies did not have so many hotels.
Rooms.
So when hotels. So an old hotel would make money. Now that fellow wants to expand. As soon as he makes a new hotel, the whole company makes a loss.
Correct.
So he would say, no, this is my...
Wait for 3 quarters. फिर वो...
नहीं, 2 साल. So my old hotels are making money which were 5-year-old. Same thing the hospital guys would say. Then 2 to 5-year-old में इतना margin हो गया है, which is not the same as the steady state margin. And ये तो मैंने अभी शुरू किया, 2 साल हुए, 1 साल हुए, तो why? So it's the same concept. But if you refuse to engage with them, we don't invest in loss-making companies. ऐसी बातें करोगे, then you will not appreciate.
So I wanted to talk about that because most people, 9 out of 10 fund managers tell me that we don't invest in loss-making companies. And maybe they miss out, but that is
maybe they miss out. They miss out. Because every company starts with a loss-making part.
नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है. Traditional companies don't have losses.
Maybe when they were private.
हाँ.
आप सोचो, some of us are jealous of private equity guys making money and running away with these billions. So they invested in profit-making companies. But we are safer than them. They invested when they were concepts. Those concepts may, let us say, how many food delivery companies would have been there 10-15 years ago? I read that book on Blinkit. जो भी नाम था, Build It. So I think there were maybe 15-20 food delivery companies. तो उसमें से 2 रह गई. So you already in private space seen that these guys have done better. The guys who invested along the way, and now you feel jealous because they are running away with our billions, have all made money from loss-making companies.
Correct.
So suddenly यहाँ पे क्या हो गया कि public market वाला बोले, I don't invest in loss-making companies. अरे भाई, loss-making companies का you can pattern, predict, connect with the US here, there, and then buy a little bit. When we bought 2%, 1.5%. Now that I'm so excited, I feel like doing a full fund of new age. But उसमें क्या होगा, since everybody will know that this is loss-making companies or that these are more volatile, you will appropriately put only 5%, 2% in those.
And you have that caveat. No, 100%.
Caveat was understood, if the whole thing is like that.
100%. Like, for example, Aether. When Hero you have it in your fund, right?
We were Anchor at 300.
And now we are loss-making, but dekho performance.
And now we are buying at 4-6 times the QIP.
And when Hero invested initially, itna bada loss, but look at their investment, where it's gone. It's phenomenal.
No, but that if somebody uses this logic, then he's just appealing to some customer who might be the thing is, you cannot go along with the customer. It's like this. You can't say कि because मेरा ना customer बेचारा दुखी रहता है, वो मेरा डरता रहता है, तो मैं उसे बोलूँगा नहीं नहीं, don't worry. You should be able to convince your customer कि भैया you are wrong.
But not many fund man. I'm being very
Because of
honest
this
with
only,
you.
na. They are doing a job. I am doing passion. So I will bloody convince the customer of mine कि 15%, 10% करने दे.
No, I
ये
also
वो.
think it's about adapting to the times,
ये भी बात
which a
है,
lot of
because
people don't
I am a
do.
young guy. Yeah, that also.
I was going to say that, but you said it
But
before
actually
me.
क्या है, Dinshaw always tells me कि mutual fund शुरू होने से ना, I have got a new professional life because everybody is bored of the old. But my thing is, some of these high net worth guys are actually running old businesses. That's how they became family office. So I was talking to one guy on Zoom. So he was talking the same. I said, the people are bored with these old companies. I forgot that he also is running a bloody even older company. Those are even older, like Chemical or some soda ash or some bloody 100-year-old business.
Correct. Pipes. Oh God. Matlab, they've made their millions, but
Yeah, but I'm just saying,
what are these first
I was
world
not
problems?
talking about him. I was talking about the banks, IT, these old consumer type companies. Listen, now look at old consumer type companies. These big, massive
हाँ,
companies.
ITC, ऐसे सब.
ITC का चलो cigarette related, I don't have it, but I'm saying yeah. But some of these guys who make soap, shampoo, ये चीजें उन दिनों में were very difficult to replicate for 2-3 reasons. One is they would say that we have 6 पता नहीं कितने million outlets, so how in your life you will reach. अब वो कोई commerce वाला कहता है मुझे पैसे दो, I'll deliver them for you. Then they would say in those olden days that we advertise on television and that is a 500 crore, पता नहीं कितने crore का advertising on Z and others. So how a new guy will do? अब the new guy कहता है मैं तो ऐप वाले को 2 crore रुपए दे दूंगा, वो ऐप के अंदर when the decision is being made, या मैं Facebook में डाल दूंगा and I will only. So that mass advertising is not even needed. It can be broken down into small thing. Third is they would say we have this great brand, we have this great quality because either we developed this shampoo with some silky hair. और नया वाला बंदा कहता है do you want avocado shampoo, do you want onion shampoo, do you want bloody some पता नहीं क्या.
Honasa.
Any of them. Every fellow has some shampoo, some soap. Every family of his son is developing a brand of these 4 things.
There's a lot of disruption happening to traditional
उनके
companies.
एक item पे 50 competitors have come up. Even chips वाले के chip, ये South Indian chip है, ये North Indian chip है, ये masala chip है. So these things, the guy who's selling has become the powerful guy. The retailer is powerful. Quick commerce is powerful. किसका लगाया जाएगा?
Shelf space किसको देना है?
Screen space किसको देना है?
Correct. Wow. Actually, I was just thinking about advertising the other day कि where do people, पहले क्या होता था, टीवी पे देख लेते थे, बिलबोर्ड्स पे देख लेते थे, न्यूज़पेपर में देख लेते थे, रेडियो पे. अभी नहीं. Now, if you want to say, for example, you want to take a flight, right? Earlier you would go on a Make My Trip and check. Now you just ask ChatGPT, right?
That also you can do, yeah.
Like, which is the best flight from Mumbai to New York?
So we used to own a travel agent. I used to own there. And now I've sold that off because that became a bit confusing. It would disrupt. So that is an issue with my physics wall also a little bit.
Of course.
So, but in the end we
even
figured.
Honasa, let me be very honest with you. Honasa was great when, of course, their Mama products, etc., were great initially. Now the place is so cluttered.
But
they are into anything and
yeah.
everything, right? Sunscreen bhi hai, makeup bhi hai. That whole space is cluttered. And I get that market penetration. You go to tier 2, tier 3 cities. But if you're targeting top 5% to 10% of India, how much makeup or how much sunscreen will a person buy?
You must be using all of
I don't even buy once a year.
You're natural.
Yeah, I don't buy once a year also. And I'm saying this is not just me. Like I'm saying this space has become so cluttered. Like you said, there are 50 companies now making sunscreen in India.
Yeah,
so what is the moat that Honasa has?
So that was initially, we bought it recently only after that overstuffing of channels and all went away. So अब हम उसका rebound खेल रहे हैं. Let's see. Because people learn na. It's like I used to tell like we had very bad performance in 8. Okay, because we didn't sell in time. Everybody had bad.
In 2008.
So मुझे 10 में कोई बोलेगा, oh, you learned, we also learned. Not only you, not the only one learned. We also learned. So these companies will say the same thing. If an analyst comes and says that this should have been done, that, so they also, everybody is learning and everybody learns. So as of now, we are giving them this chance.
The leeway.
Chance.
Okay, but it was really fun talking to you, Sameer. And I think after very long, we're talking for so long.
Correct.
So it's so nice to understand. But I want to, most of my viewers are young people, investors. And I'll be very honest with you. India, a lot of young people are a little frustrated with multiple things. One, of course, 2 years say market has not done well. Then there is the taxation angle, cost of living, inflation, no jobs, everything. You can name 100 reasons, right? So for that investor who's watching you right now and trying to just understand how does he make a corpus for himself, what would you say?
So first thing is that I can't do about their other frustrations. I can talk about market and wealth or whatever. So I say, because many people, kids of my age, friends and all who are, or even on Twitter, I say, don't think that stock market is your profession. Don't try and become a day trader, a prop trader, prop investor, simply because आप अकेले बैठे हो. How will you pass the day first, you tell? Because when we are doing this all our life, we are doing it in a company with a large AUM. So companies come and meet us, analyst comes and meets us, strategist comes and meets us. We go and give some free gyan. Ab these fellows will have to, when they are doing it on their own, learn everything on their own, do second hand from YouTube. You never meet a management. You see a curated YouTube interview and say, I like this management. And वैसे भी, how can you pass 20, 30 years in isolation, sitting in a room every day? And if you think that you can do day trading and all, that is even worse, or trading or F&O, because वो तो actually zero sum game है. Investing is not a zero sum game. It is a zero sum game if you start counting opportunity cost. For example, you sold me Paytm at 400 and it became 1200. So you lost the opportunity, but you didn't lose 800 rupees.
Correct.
But in okay, you can feel sad about it. Okay, I can't do anything. But in F&O, one guy win, the other guy has to lose. There is no third guy coming in and giving. So usme by definition, everybody cannot make money. And reality is that 90% don't make, because the 10% who are making are these organized high frequency guys and people using some fast models or even normal models or having some very smart guys. तो ये करना ही नहीं है. आपको नौकरी करनी है या काम करना है, बिजनेस करना है. And the purpose of the stock market is to treat the money that you made somewhere else well. That you are not putting it in a lower return thing or a whatever. So stock market is not for you to make money that way. वो अगर आप एक झुनझुन वाला के सैंपल से कर रहे हो तो दैट इज 1 out of मे बी चार और जोड़ दो, हार के तो बनी ये तो 50 आदमी 100 200, that does not a model. It's not a model. So don't do. Give it to us. We are charging some little fee.
And now you earn, mutual funds also.
And you, आप वही तो कह रहा हूँ. And वहाँ पे तो हम परफॉर्मेंस ही लेते हैं, यहाँ की बात हो रही है. And you earn in your business. And you invest. Job, and you invest. Then another thing people say, SIPs won't make you wealthy. Obviously, how? बेचारा 500 रुपए डाल रहा, how can you make him wealthy? वो 500 का what else he could have done? उससे better है SIP. But not कि 500 मैंने डाले, मेरे को तो wealthy बनाया नहीं. Because Twitter they say SIPs don't make you wealthy. No, they don't. It's just that whatever you put, in theory, it should be that you could not have done much better in some other.
So why should I do an SIP in mutual funds? Then I'd rather just buy direct stocks, right?
No. That's what I'm saying. That if you know that, please लगाओ, फिर उसमें आप अपने आधा दिन उसमें लगाओ to save 0.5% and then say that you will outperform the guys who are. मैं तो नहीं लगाती हूँ. मैं तो अपने जो भी stocks है पहले के मैं बाकी हमारा flexi cap सब काम कर रहा है. No, what I'm saying is actual thing should be do career.
How much you earn?
Just to say कि I do, because you don't know what to say. Because you are not building a career, and you can't be just, I am angry with my boss. उसके लिए लोग retire होना चाहते हैं. ऐसे होना life होती है.
But okay, so you've done this for now what, 30 years?
ज़्यादा ही हो गए. If I don't count only India, then तो I started 91.
91.
But if you say only India, yeah, then
Your first investment was in 91.
no. My job was in 90.
Your job was in 91, huh? Alliance.
Yeah,
Acha.
in New York.
And when did you start investing your own personal money?
Actually, I invested only in IPOs before that when I was in IIM, which was 85 and all. I invested in Modi Xerox, where I got some 200 shares. And I invested in one or two more, but not in the stock market because हमारे घर में कोई करता ही नहीं था. So I did not do. Because I got this job, I got interested.
You
in
learned
market.
on the job, okay.
No, I was not even interested. If I had got a job with McKinsey, suppose at that
हाँ.
time, I would have joined McKinsey. मुझे क्या है?
अच्छा.
I wanted a good job. हम तो सीधे साधे लोग हैं.
And फिर job के through you started.
Then I realized ये तो मेरे लिए बनी है.
Interesting. I thought you.
No, I have not.
Stories
No
कितनी
young
अलग-अलग-
passion, no
नहीं,
nothing, no knowing. And last day also no interest. Suppose Alliance and McKinsey मिल जाती. Most probably I would have gone to McKinsey those days. Because I didn't know Alliance, I knew McKinsey name.
फिर आपका नेटवर्क कैसे कंपाउंड होता था?
वो तो बड़ा कम हो जाता है.
हाँ.
बोरिंग भी होती है.
वो ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, someone once told me that, you know, a plane when it takes off, even if it moves like 5 degrees here and there, पूरी दूसरी destination तक पहुंच जाती है.
Exactly. Life का भी ऐसे होता है.
Life.
Now if you say कि when did you meet this fellow, your husband, वो अगर इधर से उधर हो जाता है या पहली मीटिंग में खराब हो जाता, स्टोरी ओवर, कोई और स्टोरी बन जाती.
Butterfly
Absolutely.
effect, हाँ. Okay, finally,
By the way, I applied for 150 jobs in my mass mailing model. Okay, I didn't know कि Alliance है कौन. मैं तो जिसका फंड मैनेजर का नाम था सबको भेज दिया. तो Alliance वालों का कॉल आ गया.
from IIM.
No, from US in Boston.
अच्छा.
So my mother was in US at that time. So she called me in the evening because वो phone होता था ना. So she said, you got a call from Alliance Capital. मैंने जाके लिस्ट में देखा है कौन Alliance Capital. मैं तो सबको भेज दिया.
But Wharton से placement नहीं मिला था?
No, I was doing PhD.
अच्छा.
I was not doing MBA.
Okay.
And I because I didn't complete my PhD, so I have a master's. So I was applying in the period which is not the recruitment period.
अच्छा. On your own.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
They don't let the PhD guys use the MBA placement.
Of
वो MBA वाली अपनी
course.
नौकरी.
MBA इतने सारे पैसे भर रहे हैं, क्यों, किस
वो
चीज
कहते
का?
हैं कहाँ घुस रहे हो हमारे मॉडल में. But I should take the names of the screen and apply on the this thing and just apply myself.
So you're pretty well educated, huh?
Of course.
No, I'm asking because today's generation.
I was the gold medalist at IIM Calcutta
I know that.
So
I
then-
know that. Yeah.
and Wharton and IIT Delhi
But you think?
and St. Columbus.
But you think education still holds that
Of
much
course.
value?
नहीं अब आजकल वो कहते हैं कि if
भी
you
AI की वजह से.
अब पता नहीं प्रैक्टिकली हाउ यू टेल मी प्रैक्टिकली आप स्कूल कॉलेज आप जाते हो पढ़ाई करने के लिए जाते हो बट मोस्टली टू बी एबल
Social skills.
इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाओ वेक अप ऑन टाइम you know things like that
उसके लिए इतना फीस.
and it's not so much networking. Some people go with that attitude. I don't even know many of the guys. Whoever I know
Because
but
someone was saying Harvard. I read a piece that
Harvard
Harvard
वगैरह में तो
University का MBA has demand has crashed by some 50%.
no, that is because US demand would have come down because US is not giving you a path in terms of what will happen after you
हाँ,
study. And
job.
rest of the world is useless. My daughter went to UK and absolutely useless colleges. वो करना था तो US ही था. And US में वो आजकल वो हो गया है. So that way India ये वो अब now you just do whatever can fit. Because US में आपकी guarantee नहीं है ना बाद में H1 की and उसकी.
And now everything is available on.
नहीं वो बात नहीं है. If you want to go to and stay
Proper
there,
call, हाँ,
then it has to be top 15-20 only. 21st is as good or bad as any other.
Fair. Okay, finally, actually, I mean, I've been wanting to ask you this for so long, and I must tell our viewers that you are someone who reads a lot. You're a voracious reader. Everyone knows that. But a lot of people don't know that you also send, you know, the top books that you like every year without fail to people who you love, you care about, and, you know, your acquaintances professionally. And you've been sending me books.
By the way, this time I gave to Twitter followers also 200 copies.
Acha.
I think 150 ki 200. You know, and I just signed. That was the halo effect.
Okay, final question. Top 5 book recommendations. I know it's a hard one for you.
that is hard because it depends on the interest of the other person. So in general, I say, by the way, I get many summer trainees in Singapore they only come for reading books about for 10 days. I've
अच्छा.
over 10-15 years, maybe 20-30 people have come. तो उसमें मैं कहता हूँ कि first, if you are interested in markets, in investing, or even in a finance job, Wall Street job, want to work for Goldman Sachs वगैरह, you must understand business. ये नहीं कि स्टॉक मार्केट का कर्व क्या है, पी शी, nobody in the world is interested. So you have to read business. Business means you read books on businesses to see how businesses make money or how they are organized. So read book on Walmart, on Apple, on Google, सब मिलती हैं. And or Elon Musk biography you read. ये सब में क्या है कि you get into this, you learn the language of our business. And so I made a lot of money just by reading Elon Musk biography because I never used to like Tesla. By the way, still I don't own it. But that time मैंने कहा यार बेचारा इतना हीरो है, कोई थोड़ा सा तो टेस्ला में डाल देते हैं. So it went up. I bought it in 22 or 23. It went up 2-3 times. I sold it off. But free के बन गए by reading one book. Okay? Then I read this book, Chip War. Chip War was actually that time Financial Times Book of the Year. This I think was 22. The markets were down anyway. That book, if you read any point in your life, but don't read it now, you will be convinced that you have to buy NVIDIA and TSMC and this ASML, the Holland wali. उसमें आप बच ही नहीं सकते. But fortunately, my timing was when the book came out of bad days. So I made 8x.
And Nvidia.
And I sold it off now. Actually, I sold it 140 or so, up to 200 कुछ है. So ये तो, but book भी बड़ी अच्छी है. But I'm saying biography type. But if I used to say now what I like or what I keep talking, these are the two books I talk most in the last 1 year. One is Halo Effect because I have been able to use it. Pehle I read it and it was great, but now I can fit it. And second one is The Engine That Moves Market because aajkal that is a discussion that how to identify new technology. And that actually I read recently only, maybe a year ago. Otherwise, if you say all-time classics, उसमें मेरे को तो सबसे अच्छी लगती है Fooled by Randomness.
अच्छा.
Which is Nassim Nicholas Taleb की है. There are many books. All of them are very complicated to read.
Very complicated. I struggle with his books.
Claude. Use Claude. I mean, you guys, whoever, you use Claude. But Claude को detail कर देना ना. Actually, Claude doesn't have that much depth in books. Because I was reading a space science fiction book. It was really complicated. तो मैं कहा यार मेरे को पहले तू next chapter की summary बता. Then I will read it and I will relate to it immediately. Claude says, I have a big picture view, but you upload the book, then I will give you. But those things open I knew, chapter by chapter. Okay, so that is, I think, the difference in the end that will come. One guy will be good in some literature type. So one guy
Notebook LM is also pretty good.
Huh?
Notebook LM.
अच्छा उसमें भी ऐसे होता है? I don't know.
उसमें तो you can convert PDFs into podcasts.
अच्छा नहीं वो तो अलग चीज हो गया.
There's a book and then there are two people discussing the book.
I was not doing that. I was just because there were so many characters, so many things. So I was trying to figure out कि my God, ये तो because I sometimes when I'm reading the random books, I'm also watching TV. तो अब I have to be थोड़े आसान हो गए तो I can do 2 things. Otherwise I have to do only one thing. So what I'm saying is, so then somebody told me, by the way, as an aside, कि because those guys don't care about rules, OpenAI, तो उन्होंने सारी books bloody pirate करके पढ़ ली हैं जो भी मतलब without. But what I'm just saying is, so you can do that also for some books, doesn't matter. But first is get interested in this. I met one son of a friend about 5-7 years ago. कहता है कि I am doing trading. My dad has given me पता नहीं 1 crore की 50 lakhs. Because what do you do? कहता है every morning, I won't tell you the name, but one of these broker traders calls him up and tells him कि आज ये share लेना है और लेना है वो ले लेता है. मैं क्या? So
बहुत लोग करते हैं by the way. बहुत लोग करते हैं.
What papers do you read? कहते नो आई डोंट रीड. मैं कहा बिजनेस स्टैंडर्ड तो पढ़ ले, कोई ईटी तो पढ़ ले, कोई बिजनेस रिलेटेड कोई मिड पढ़ ले, 4 चीजें तो पढ़. सो हाउ कैन यू so read newspaper first
and then move on to
and then read magazine first. Then get summaries from Claude or OpenAI. Then read a book if you don't otherwise like reading. But you cannot go anywhere in life without reading.
I agree. I completely agree. When I read a lot. And thank you so much for being here. By the way, I must appreciate one thing. I talk to a lot of fund managers and I've realized that your thought process is very progressive.
Achha.
Compared to your age. I'm just being honest because in your category, the people are still, a lot of them live in the past.
Yeah.
I mean, no offense to them. That's just how they're brain
Yeah,
functions. I think people also don't like to take risks because if they feel something has worked for the last 20 years,
Yeah.
it will work for the next 20. And I've realized in my journey that that's not the case.
Correct, correct.
I mean, I was a part of a platform
Big,
that
you would have been happy all your life.
a platform that was dying really quickly. And then when I noticed that and I pivoted, it was challenging.
New thing.
But I'm so glad that you have that progressive approach, and maybe it comes through because of your reading and all of that. But thank you so much for
Thank
being
you,
here.
Ji. Thank you very much.
And enjoy your India trip.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.